can we expect for this year's Women's Run PH?
You know what? This Lactaseed Women's Run PH is now the biggest women's running event here in the country. It's our first time to reach this a number of participants joining, and 40% of our runners are new runners, are beginners.
Wow.
So we were really able to, inspire, motivate new runners to join the event. And to expect from this event, we want it to be empowering, fun, and motivating. So madami po silang makikita along the route. There will be motivational markers from our runners themselves para they will feel na, wow, galing sa akin to. So they will feel that the event is really personalized.
Correct, correct.
But more than that, also the feel of the event is of course women-centered. Kasi ito yung gusto ko maranasan bilang isang runner. Pag mag-cross ako ng finish line, may aapoy kong bulaklak. So there are a lot of things that we want as women to feel when we cross the finish line. There will be men in barong as well waiting.
Wow. Ma'am, ilan po yung expected runners natin for this event?
We are at 10,610. This is the biggest talaga sinasabi ko. Usually kasi sa mga event na ganito, 10,000, 5,000, babae lalaki na.
Correct.
So for my cause talaga, or for my, I really want to increase the women participation. We really work hard on getting new runners to experience the joy of competing the run.
So ito basically, ma'am, pambabae na ba talaga siya or open din for everyone?
It's really for women.
Okay, okay.
So we have an event that men and women can join,
Can
which is
join,
March.
correct.
But October is Second on Women's
Wow.
Health. So talaga focus tayo sa
Why October?
October kasi is we're celebrating a lot of things, no? Osteoporosis Day, we are celebrating HPV month, we
Yeah.
are breast cancer awareness, and then of course menstrual day and menopausal day din siya. So
Oo.
a lot of things happening on that month.
Oo.
So we are centered on women's health. So that's why I think October talaga is the best way for us to put this schedule.
How long have you been running?
I've been running on and off dati pa because I'm also an athlete. So part of my cross training is running.
Wow, that's good.
Diba? So taekwondo and cross training ko
That's
running.
good.
But now I just really focused on running. Kasi I learned how to love it, especially when I became a
Correct. Having said that, ma'am, I wanna dig into that because ang saya-saya ng running community ngayon, no? Parang parami ng parami, palago ng palago yung mga naeengganyo na tumakbo. As an athlete and as a runner yourself, anong masasabi mo sa pagsigla ng running community, pagsigla ng lifestyle ng pagtatakbo dito sa Philippines?
Well, it's really great to see a lot of people into running. So nakakatuwa kasi ang dami mong makita. Run clubs popping anywhere. Tapos merong mga other groups and organizations, even companies, they're putting up their own run clubs. So this is a great opportunity talaga for us to focus on our fitness, our wellness. So for me, seeing all of these things, it's nakakatuwa siya for me. Kasi nakakatulong din tayo sa community, the rising of running communities. This helps us also physically, our mental health. Lahat po ng factors actually, holistically, malaking bagay na nakakatulong natin sa running.
As an athlete, give us some tips or advice para sa mga gustong pasukin din ang pagraran o pagtakbo.
So, usually, naiisip ng mga tao, kapag sasali ako sa races, kailangan ba ako may certain fitness level? Diba? But no, running is for everyone regardless of your size, regardless of your gender, regardless of your fitness level. Always think na parang when you run, you are doing this for yourself. Okay? So, let them be. If they are fast, let them go. Just focus on you and your personal growth because it is your journey. The most important thing is you're enjoying it. When you enjoy it, then it will become sustainable for you and you will have more goals to achieve pag ini-enjoy mo yung isang bagay.